ICEBOX refrigerator cake. And it's made with the Biscoffs and fresh whipped cream and peaches. So we're going to start off with preparing the pan. And I'm using an 8x8 pan. And I've lined it with plastic wrap real tightly into the corners so it doesn't disform your cake when you make it. You could use a loaf pan or you could use a 9x13, but I'm using this little square 8x8. I'm using Biscoff, and I'm going to line my pan with the biscuits. I'm also going to use the fresh fruit that I'm going to do a lining of the pan first with. I'm lining my dish with fruit first. So you line it with the selection of fruit you want. I'm using peaches today. They're not fresh ones. My peaches were not ripe yet. So I'm using a cling peach with no sugar added, and I line that up first. My cream mixture for the icebox cake is made with heavy cream. Many people use Cool Whip, but I'm going to use heavy cream, and we're going to need 2 cups of heavy cream. That's 2 cups. 2 cups of heavy cream, we need 1/4 cup of confectioner's sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We'll take the mixer and we will mix that up till we get stiff peaks. Start it out a little slow so it doesn't splatter, and just get it started like this. Okay, so you know it's done when it has these streaks in there, and it's like that. This looks like Cool Whip, but it's fresh whipped cream. I'm taking a can of this Solo pie and pastry filling. I'm going to add it to my whipped cream, and that's what makes my icebox cake a little different. I'm only going to use about 5 tablespoons. Okay, so I have about 5 tablespoons here, and I'm going to add it to my whipped cream. We're just going to fold that in. We don't want to break the whipped cream. And this is what's going to go in between our cookie layers. Here's our topping mixed with the pie filling. And we're just going to put a first layer of cream on top of